We're from the town with the great football team. We cheer the Pittsburgh Steelers.
Hey guys, welcome to Picksburgh. This is Anthony. I'm getting ready to open up some mail, so hang tight. Let's jump into this and see what we get. All right, guys, so I want to open up this right here. I got it from a really good friend of mine. As you can see, buying space here, the wonderful Myra has sent this to myself, and I'm looking forward to seeing what is inside. This is what is inside. A little card with my name on it. Very, very kind of her. All right, so it's got a cross on it, which is awesome. It says, Anthony, thank you for your spiritual leadership. Your perseverance and dedication to the word is greatly needed. Myra Lane. Thank you so much, Myra. I really appreciate that. And as you guys can see here on her channel, she does do a lot of Bible readings as well. And she is such a wonderful, sweet person. So let's see what she sent us. All right, so it's inside of a poly bag. Oh, that's really cool. Check that out. I'm going to definitely have to take this when we go to Disney. It's a Mickey Mouse tie. That is really, really cool. Myra, thank you so much for that. I genuinely appreciate that. Look at that. It's even got the copyright Disney on it. Little Mickey Mouse in a suit. That is so kind of you, Myra. I genuinely appreciate this, and I will definitely take this when we go to Disney, and you'll see me rocking this.
Several days later.
All right, guys, it is a few days later, and I did receive this in the mail. This is I'm guessing, a Christmas card from Myra, and since I still haven't released the video of the awesome Mickey Mouse tie, I figured we will just do a full-blown mail day, because I do have some other stuff here that I need to open as well. So this is really nice. Look at that little manger saying, it says, the word did not become a philosophy, a theory, or a concept to be discussed, debated, or pondered, but the word became a person to be followed, enjoyed, and loved. That's awesome. Anthony, naturally, may your heart know him, enjoy him, and love him always. Christmas blessings, Myra Lane and daughter Jessica K. Thank you so much, Myra and Jessica. Definitely appreciate this so much. Next thing I want to open is from a really good friend of mine, Paul, Gate City Picker. Grab some skizzers. Alright, so saw it into that. Look at that, he packs that very well. My man. Professional. I'm going to keep links in the description too, guys, for everyone whose package you're about to see opened here. So let's see what we got here. So we got one with hard case, one without. So we're gonna save the hard case for a second. So this package, guys, was from my buddy Paul, Gate City Picker, also Gate City Sports Cards. Starting off with a big Benefer. That's what I'm talking about. It's got some shine to it. I'm trying not to put too much light on right now because the wife is asleep. It is pretty. AB. Man, did this guy let his ego derail his career. Some shiny shine on there. Villanueva. Love getting them lineman cards. Got my man Jimmy James Connor. That is what is up. Another Jimmy James Connor. This is a different variant. Yet another Jimmy James Connor. Fantasy Stars. You know, Nate made fun of me for drafting James Conner. He's like the #2 running back, I believe. Huddle up. Got a TJ Watt. I love these old school score looking cards. That just reminds me of that Deion Sanders rookie card, Barry Sanders rookie card, like that type of era. Love it. Terrell Edmonds in that same format. Big Ben Roethlisberger. like these cards. Villanueva. He's like, that's right, man. I stand for the anthem. Another Jimmy James Connor. Nice. Willie Stargell. I love these classic looking baseball cards too. Clemente. It's my favorite baseball player of all time. He's pretty awesome. Willie Stargell. That is awesome. So I really like the stuff that I just got here. And just to think that there's now stuff that are in hard cases, that makes me even more excited. Right, let's see what we got. So we have a Big Ben Contenders. Nice. Deontay Johnson rookie ticket. And that's green too. So I believe that's a parallel. That's really cool. The jersey patch. Look at this one. Juju Smith-Schuster patch. Big Ben signal caller. Is that the red parallel? Nice. Got my boy Jetty. Oh, there it is, guys. Willie Stargell autograph. Phew. That's the big boy right there. That's awesome. Dude, I'm like blown away with this one. That's like a forever PC card right there. Another Willie Stargell. Then we got that Ginter Honus. It's pretty awesome. But yeah, guys, can you believe these three? Haba. Just what I'm talking about. Thank you so much, Paul. Genuinely appreciate it. These will always be in my PC. I actually am thinking, Paul, now that I'm holding this card in my hand, sending it in to get authenticated. I know it already has the authentication patch on the side here, but this card is just so glorious. I feel like it needs a slab. So thank you so much. It'll be greatly treasured. Alright, so this next one is my buddy Joey. He has a channel where he sells sports cards at auction, does card openings, stuff like that. Really cool guy. I try to buy off him as much as I possibly can, and I went and I picked this up for my personal collection. It's also an investable piece, but let me show you what I got. Oh, check that out. Got a mint 9 Shaq rookie card from Hoops. SGC. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Alright guys, so these next couple, I'm not entirely sure who they're from, so I'm just going to open them. Oh yeah, I know exactly what this is. This is actually an eBay pickup. I got this in the middle of the night for literally next to nothing. It's a BGS 9 Blake Griffin Panini rookie. Definitely not the hottest player right now, but I definitely think Blake Griffin has a lot of long-term potential. So I figured for the price I got this at, sub $10, graded, why not pick it up? Then the last piece of mail I have here, again, not sure what this is, but we're gonna find out together. This one's in a box. we're in. Oh, it's a slab, guys. It is a slabby slab. Oh, I now remember what this is. This is one I wanted for my 401k / personal collection, and I got it on the low. Check that out. Yao Ming rookie card, guys. Mint 9 SGC. That thing is gorgeous. Definitely see him as a Hall of Famer. But yeah, I definitely wanted to scoop one of his rookies, and I got this so cheap, guys. I think I paid like 20 bucks for it. So yeah, that's gonna go in my 401k, and hopefully one day it will be worth millions. Guys, thank you so much for joining me for this Mailday video. If you would ever want to send something to us, not that we would ever expect it, all you'd have to do is email us. My email's down below, or reach out to us on social media. Those links are all down below as well. And I can give you our address, and you can send whatever you'd like to us. Again, we never expect anything, but it's always such a blessing when we do receive something. Thanks for watching this video. May God bless you.